hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can edit videos online. I will tell you about the best video editor available online. So if you have a low-end PC and you cannot edit videos properly on your PC or laptop because of RAM or graphic card, so this video editor is best because it is an online tool, so you can easily edit videos without any issue. So let's get started. So I'm going to Clipchamp. This is the tool. It also has some pro features, but with free feature we do all the edits, and we do good editing with free features. So I click on this. Let's create an account first. So I click on try for free, and the best part is it provide you also the free voiceover. So it is a great software. So continue with Google. So I sign up with Gmail. Continue. Allow. This is the basic sign up tool. So you have a Gmail account or Microsoft account for this. After that, what sort of videos bring you to Clipchamp? Education. You select the option. So I select this one. So these are the options. You can edit videos for YouTube, Instagram, gaming videos, slideshows, birthday, TikTok, social media, text overlays, Facebook ads, and many more. These are the video templates. So let's suppose I want to create like TikTok video. You can also check brand kit templates, or you can also create folders, but now I click on TikTok. And the most important feature, you can also create video with AI, but I click on TikTok, and you can choose the templates, but I click on create a video, and that's the interface of the main software. So if you have your videos, go towards them, or you can also check out their content library, and there are like graphics, musics, and green screens, and many more things. And you can also check out these GIFs, and after that click on visuals, and you can check out overlays, frames, backgrounds, images, videos. So I click on videos because at that point I do not download any videos. So I click on this, and I randomly select the videos, and this is the timeline. And the video is importing. My net is a bit slow, that's why it takes time. So as you can see, it is loading, and the video is playing. So these are the good videos. After that, if you want to apply any filter, you click on this, and these are the filters. Some are pro, but there are many free filters, so you can easily like apply these filter to your video. As you can see, it also show preview of the filter, and after that you select the preview you like. After that, we also have effects, and it shows us the effect, adjust colors and speed. You can speed up the video, and you can add text here, like click on text, and you can also give captions here, and here is the text. You can edit text here, and you can change the font style, medium, so I write here hello friends, and it shows here. So this is just a review video, so if you ask in the comments, then I will make a complete tutorial of this video editor online. But this is just for a knowledge purpose, that you can, if you don't have a good PC, good suspect PC, you can also edit videos online. You just need a good internet connection. So that's it. And after that, when you ready your video, you can export in 480, 720 and 1080p free. But if you want to export in 4K, then you have a paid version, but I think 1080p is good enough. So click on this, and after that the video is downloaded. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, so they can also learn and earn through it. And that's it for today, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.